We're out here at SEMA. We took the entire squad. 2005 McLaren Mercedes SLR.
Red Star, all the way. Yeah, nobody does it and nobody does it like them.
Yeah, back.
That was nice. First time on SEMA.
What up, you guys? We got the famous Star Motor Werks in the house.
Dude, last year when we came here was not that many people.
How do you guys say it?
And that way it doesn't fall out.
Oh.
Denise, and now let's go. I figured we'd be here today. SEMA has more of the fun stuff. I did walk SEMA a little bit, but I went to Apex. That's where I met the turbo manufacturer, all the OE stuff. That's Apex. Yeah, only business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Locking in contracts, deals, connections.
Turbos. Turbos is the main one. The CLS 450. The turbos are not available from the dealer. It's like $5,000.
Okay.
They have it. Yeah. You get straight the company that manufactures for Mercedes.
Well, that's so good.
That makes the whole entire trip.
Yeah. That literally one connection made the whole trip. Yeah.
All right, let's go. It's on the left side, probably.
Liberty Walk. They got the carbon wheels, man. Yay. Rohana, huh?
Oh, that's like great.
Laser edge. Damn, look at this 6x6 right here. That'd be a good.
What is that?
That's really cool.
Yay, Mercedes.
Oh, nice.
Easily build something crazy. Alright, we'll keep moving.
Yeah, this is like very creative. That's so creative.
Now I just pick a new Arizona every time I want to do a new rap.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, yeah, I know. This is one of the first tools I bought. Power probe. Flashlight, and then I bought a power probe. I didn't know how to use it, but I bought it.
Oh.
Manchito, you want to get one of these? Power probe.
Yeah.
This is like your meter. So you hook it up to a battery, and whatever you touch, like positive, it'll tell you the voltage. And then you touch a ground, it'll tell you it's ground. If you need to like move a window up, so it actuates the window up, and then actuate the window down. Yeah. Oh, that's you, man. Fuego. Power probe. Current draw monitor, dude. Well, not this.
Yeah.
We usually use like an amp clamp.
Okay, amp clamp or like an inline test?
Yeah. So
You want to see it in action?
we should. Yes.
This is the PP draw. It's a combination draw monitor, memory saver. Measuring your passage rate in the car can sometimes be a little difficult. Just trying to make it super simple. You'll plug into a car's 16-pin DLC. So at that point, you can hit smart output.
Yo.
Now this is trying to provide power to the vehicle. Let me turn some stuff on. As soon as I disconnect one of the battery cables, now this is acting like the car's battery. Then that is your draw number. So you can see it go up and down as you turn stuff off.
That's sick. Does that have any option to connect to your phone or let you know, or do we still have to use a baby monitor?
Yes, there's a Bluetooth link that you'll see us play on your phone.
Done, sold. We usually use a baby monitor so we can put it by the
that's
meter,
good,
and you're like, I'm plugging fuses. You're like,
Yeah, the Bluetooth will take you anywhere around the car.
sick. Done, sold. Alright, we're buying one. How do we buy one? Can we buy
We do
one?
have a show.
So you're here already. 2005 McLaren Mercedes SLR.
HDK.
They just like two different cars had a baby.
Yeah, McLaren actually worked with Mercedes worked with McLaren. When they first came out, they were like I think like $500,000. Now they're like $2 million.
Because they're unique and rare.
Yeah, exactly. I think this came out when I was starting at the dealers. These cars, when I worked at the dealer, you can't rack it. Like if you get a flat tire, you can't jack it up. If you jack it up in one corner, jack it up evenly, it cracks the whole frame, total loss.
The entire frame?
Yeah. Carbon fiber frame.
The whole bottom, right?
The whole bottom.
Like
the actual structural integrity is all carbon. It's a carbon fiber chassis, yeah. Maybe, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, you guys got your photo, right? Grab them in, light them up. So it's good. Like everybody you meet here at SEMA, we have ideas. I have a problem. Let me see if I can find somebody who can solve it for us. And then usually those people are here. Yeah,
And they're the owners.
yeah, exactly. Yeah. So this is Dimitri and Sean, Red Star. Wonderful. We brought the team. Cool. Nice. So many guys here. Yeah, this is our workshop.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
The whole crew.
We're always referring to us.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. You guys do awesome work. You guys have done a great job since you took it over. So
thank you.
Yeah. Even a couple of other shops, like we're always down to make a stand like that, and you can have in your lobby or whatever.
Yeah, I should probably show
on a cool stand like that.
So how do you guys do the welds here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just custom.
Because I see all the the competitors like exhaust, man, and theirs looks like it's like black. Like Red Star's like quality is always amazing. Red Star, all the way. Nobody does it, and nobody does it like them. Yeah, like this. Wish you guys made wedding rings, man. I'll get it made by Red Star.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go talk to my man Chris Jacobs from Oklahoma. Chip.
First time was the first D1 Grand Prix. I think this was in 2004.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like the first drift event and ever in the US. It was D1 Grand Prix. And then when we were watching, the RX-7 hit the wall right in front of us, and the taillight shattered and blew everything around. Like they were drifting, and bam, hit the wall.
What happened?
Turbo? That didn't sound good. That mechanics not will help. Maybe change the motor. You can always tell which cars have high horsepower by how much smoke the wheels create. That thing has a lot of power. That's why the tire's just cooking. Just like, feels so good. Miss those days. Our chassis ears. Yeah.
Oh, those are the pinning ones. The one I told you that's here.
Oh.
The one they have like some super thin gator ones.
These are basically like probes, so you can test all the, when we're testing like ECUs and stuff like that, checking continuity between the ECU and sensors. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the full master set. We do have the piercing probes as well. So you have your potentiometers, and then also the alligator clips open up wider than your
these have adjustment.
Your average.
Nice. Are you guys planning to sell this kit when you guys leave?
Sure.
I'm pretty sure Techmetric is bigger than. And I wonder if Shop Genie's here then. This is Techmetric.
Yeah. So I think they had a banner that said Shop Genie too.
How you doing? All right, I'm Rod. Nice to meet you.
How's it going, Chuck?
So we're users actually.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I knew y'all look like a bunch of winners. You guys want to see the demo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Come on back. Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, great to see you guys.
Pleasure.
How's it going?
Pleasure.
Hey, Kieran, good to meet you.
Like you founded Shop Genie?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, all right,
I feel like I've met you before.
Maybe.
What did you do before the shop?
Marketing. Yeah. I worked with Ty Lopez.
We've definitely met. I used to go to all the Thai events.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we probably met there.
Yeah.
Why did you guys merge with Techmetric? Yeah.
Techmetric was thinking about building their own CRM. They wanted to buy us. Techmetric is eating the world right now in the auto repair space. They wanted to join the winning team. So
It's a good merger.
So we are a specialist shop specializing in Mercedes-Benz and AMGs.
So you guys are on Techmetric already?
Yeah.
We have an integration directly with Google. You can see this book online button right here. You can see it's pretty much the only shop that has it in their area. So Shop Genie booking tool is super customizable. This is what it looks like on the front end, what your customers see. On the back end, you've got all sorts of settings. And so, your transportation options, what vehicles you work on. So you guys could do only Euro, and you can just uncheck all of these. You can have transcripts and summaries emailed directly to you, so you don't have to listen to recordings
Oh, that's
anymore.
good. Yeah. And we can level up.
Cool.
Okay.
Looking forward to working with you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's truck line.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Like they build these wheels.
Oh, wow.
For like the Broncos and stuff. Yeah. These are the carbon barrels. Carbon fiber. So you gotta pick it up with 2 fingers. 2 fingers.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
They're so shiny on the camera.
Yeah, they also have like different options, you know, whatever you want to do, like chrome, black, and everything. We'll probably hang out here for a little bit.
Okay.
My back hurts.
Well, you've been here for so many days already.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think I already maximized every up. I think this time I actually had enough time to freaking hit everything.
Yeah,
Pretty much.
it was a productive day.
Yeah, productive
week.
company. I think our best connection was that turbo.
Oh yeah.
That was probably like our money maker.
Yeah, drive
like,
safe,
okay, we'll see you.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
He loved how we brought the entire team.
Yeah. Anybody that's a car enthusiast, you know, they're gonna be here at SEMA.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. Like, if you don't let your guys like love what they do, they're not gonna love what they do.
Exactly.
You know?
Oh.
So I tried to buy it online. You know, I went into their website and
Yeah,
everything.
they didn't have it.
Apparently, they're in Germany. Today I was able to get my hands on this baby. I'm ready for those B services, man.
Get going before you guys get tired. Okay, drive safely, guys. Let us know when you guys make it back.
Yeah.
Cool.
Good night.
Bye. Drive safe.
Share one.
Nice. Thank you. Gracias.
Oh, what the heck? They got sushi rolls?
Oh yeah. Looker. I know. Yeah. Looker. Man, look at this.
You're just like Denise. You like. I love that about you guys. That you actually
Yeah.
look at a place, I go Yelp, and then do the review.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.